It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Hello. Thank you kay Sir Kenneth kasi comedy. Lagi kami pinapatawa. Pag ako yung mama, bibigyan kita ng P, yung favorite mong P. Tapos kay Ma'am Len, sobrang bait. Mga palatawa din, lagi ako nag-enjoy. Tapos yun. Tapos kay Sir Nino, akala ko nung una mahigpit naman, pero masaya pa rin. Comedy pa rin, comedy. Yun naman yung importante, masaya. Tapos, sila Sir Ruel, sila Sir Mike, si Kuya Romeo, si Kuya Ruben, yan, si Ma'am Joy, saka si
Kuya Jake,
Sir Jake,
si Ma'am Lovely.
Nag-ano ako, ay kayo.
Si Ma'am Lovely yun.
Lovely pala yun.
Oh, tapos?
Yun, thank you kasi masaya. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. Tapos marami ako natutunan. May natutunan? Yes!
First, thank you po kay Sir Kenneth kasi siya po yung nag-accept sa amin ni JC. Tapos ang bait-bait niya. Tapos kay Sir Nino po kasi akala ko nung una siya, masungit. Ganun, akala ko nakakatakot, pero yun pala, sobrang bait niya. Lagi niya akong pinapatawa, lagi naman ako natatawa. Kay Ma'am Len, kasi yan, isa pa yan si Ma'am Len, sobrang nakakatawa. Tapos sa lahat, kina Kuya, ano ba? Tinagap nila kami ng parang bunggo, yan sabi. Tapos, ayun, kasi nakakatuwa. Kasi sobrang bait nila. Masaya kasama. Yan, tapos mamimiss ko sila kasi wala na, patapos na eh. Bye-bye.
Yan, naka-record na eh.
Go!
Record na eh.
Oh,
Diba? Swing.
si Sir Kenneth.
Yan. Thank you kay Sir Kenneth kasi kahit basta si Sir, masaya naman kasama, madami kang matututunan. Puro P ang nalalaman ko. Hindi, joke. Tapos kay Ma'am Joy, syempre, medyo strict. Medyo strict to si Ma'am, pero ang dami kong natutunan dyan sa kitchen. Lalo na kay Sir Ruben, mga kahambuganan. Hindi, pero maraming tinurusan si Sir Ruben. Sina Sir Mike, sina Sir Ruel, si Sir Ruben, lalo si Sir Ruben. Saka si Sir Jake.
Anong masasabi mo kay Sir Nino? Sir Nino?
Wala. Di joke. Kasi kahit strict ko si Sir, masaya naman kasama makwento. Tapos, yan, si Ma'am Lovely kahit makulit. Okay lang. Bait naman si Ma'am.
Sir Jun.
Yossi. Sir Jun. Sobrang bait ng Sir Jun. Dami ka matutunan lalo na sa bank. Kay Kuya Mario,
Sino kamukha ni Sir Jun?
Si Jam.
Si Jam.
Yung gano'n.
Jam Sebastian. Sino pa?
Totoo na masaya.
Si Sir, Sir Shelvin.
Sir, wala masasabi, mabait yun. Hindi na imik yun. Hindi mabait yun. Masaya dito sa Brasas.
Pagsalita na tayo na.
Sarap kumain.
Yun lang. Tama.